All right, today we have running for you a Jones & Shipman. This is a model 540. This is a 2-axis automatic surface grinder. At least that's the way we're selling it. It's currently wired for 440 volts. We have a down feed here, also a fine feed on the down feed, your cross feed here, and we also have this is automatic. This can go in and out. You stand here and you watch your part, and when it's time to change, you just switch this to the other side and you start going the other way. You also have a fine feed on this. Got the coolant tank here. We have a rapid up and a rapid down of the grinding wheel. Have a safety set up here. If you didn't want to crash into your part, you could set this up so that the automatic down feed will stop when you get close to your workpiece. So that's it. I'm going to start the grinding wheel. It's a surface grinder, Jones & Shipman 540, made in England, 440 volts. Thank you very much.